Hi guys, welcome in and/or welcome back to my channel, Home with Chrissy T. I'm Chrissy T, interior designer, content creator, and lover of all things home decor and DIY. In today's video, if you cannot already tell by the title of this video, we are doing some major renovations in the new house, and this is a culminating event because this is the first video in the new house. So without further ado, let's get started. By the time you guys are watching this video, today is actually the day before my birthday. So tomorrow is my birthday. So I'm extremely excited for that and I cannot wait to celebrate. But let's go ahead and get into this first DIY. First project we are tackling in the new home is the powder bathroom in our lower living area. This bathroom is extremely small, but I wanted to pack a full punch when it comes to design. That means we're doing a full color drench in this bathroom, and that started with a trip to Sherwin Williams. If you guys have been following me over on Instagram at Home with Chrissy T, which I highly recommend that you do, then you know that I was torn between several colors for this bathroom. But when I kept referring back to my mood board, which I created over in Canva, then I was finally able to determine the color that I wanted to use, which I'm not letting you guys know yet. I want to see what your guys' thoughts are. What color do you think I chose for this bathroom? So the options were Sherwin Williams Sealskin, Sherwin Williams Domino, Sherwin Williams Caviar, and there was one more, but it was like a green color. I'm just letting you know I didn't choose that. So it's between those. Comment down below which color you actually think I chose for the bathroom. I just want to see where you guys' thoughts are. So these are the two colors swatched on the wall, and remember that I'm going for a warm black. This is color A if you've been following me along on the stories on Instagram, and this is color B. I wanted to love color B so much, but color B is looking blue. And if you think I'm kidding because lighting can look different on camera, this one actually looks a little bit more brown on camera, but it's actually blacker. And on this side, also color A, color B. Color B still looks very blue right here, but it also looks black. And on the back of the wall, color A is here and color B is here. Color B still looks blue to me, but here it looks the most black than it does in the entire room. And my problem with this is that when I pair it with the things that I'm planning to pair it with, I don't want it to feel cool toned on the wall and then warm in all the other places that I'm putting other things. So I'm feeling like it might be A, but comment down below which color you guessed it was over on Instagram, or you guessed that I would choose, and what color do you think this is, because I'm gonna let you guys know. So now that we have all the hardware and switch plates unscrewed in here, we're going to go ahead and tape everything off. I will not be taping the wall that is behind you guys, which is where the mirror is, because I have something else that I have planned for that space. But we're also going to go ahead and taking down that mirror. But I am going to go ahead and tape off the floor so that any paint drips or anything like that doesn't get splattered on the floor, as well as like cover the toilet and the sink, because I'm not sure if I'm going to change the sink as of yet. So I'm going to do the taping off camera really quick and I'll be right back. So I just finished taping off the floor and this is what it looks like. I just tried to cover all the surfaces where paint could possibly drip while I'm rolling on the wall, because if you didn't know, when you're rolling paint on a paint roller, it splatters. So the other thing I need to do is get some trash bags to cover these items, but the floor itself is covered. So yeah. I settled on the color for the bathroom, we obviously started painting. You'll notice that I'm using a smaller brush here, and that is because this is such a small area that the bigger rollers just would have taken up too much space personally to me, and it would have been a little bit more messy. And I just think that going with a smaller roller in a smaller space was the better idea.
I should get some sleep.
I finished up painting last night, and the only thing left for me to finish painting is the door trim and the door itself. If I haven't said it already, I am doing a color wash in this bathroom, meaning the trim, the walls, and everything is going to be the same color. So what we're going to also do today is go ahead and remove this build-a-grade mirror, and I'm going to show you a little trick to do that with possibly without breaking it and only using two things. Now this second project, guys, I'm letting you know right now, it is no way, in no shape or form renter friendly. Now for this project, you will be needing a pack of shims and some form of tape. I am using frog tape here, and this is just going to aid in if your mirror shatters when you take it off. Mine's did not, but just so you know. You're going to simply take those shims and start to shove them behind the mirror, and the further they get down, just add more and more shims, which is what the YouTube video says. I will be leaving that link down below for you guys because I think he explained it a lot better than I'm doing here. Now let me tell you something, I am a YouTube girly. Not just that I record content for YouTube, but that I refer to YouTube for when I'm trying to learn any new skill. And when it comes to learning how to take down this mirror, I watched several YouTube videos. But let me tell you something. What I didn't account for was this adhesive strip that was on the back of this mirror. You'll notice you'll know if you have it by when you first insert those top shims, because you won't be able to get them through. Mine's had an adhesive strip on the top and on the bottom, which caused for difficulty with getting the shims behind it to lift this mirror a lot easier. Don't try this in a renter, just don't do it. So as you can see, it left giant holes in the wall. And the reason that I figured I was having issues getting the shims behind to more easily get this off, like the YouTube video said, was because they had an adhesive strip on the top and on the bottom, which means that the shims could only get in from the sides where there was no adhesive strip. But they also put glue dollops, the adhesive to hold the mirror up, all throughout the mirror, which the glue dollops would have been fine, but because of the adhesive strip, I could not get behind it. So as you can see, there are gaping holes
in the walls. So don't worry, we're gonna be fixing that, and what I have planned for this wall is not paint, and it's more structural anyway, so that is no issue. But if that is gonna be an issue for you, I do not recommend that you remove that mirror.
Guys, this is we are in this home permanently. We're gonna be here for a while. So what you can expect moving forward is that some projects may take weeks, some may take months and months, because I don't plan to rush through my home to just get content out. I plan to take my time, and so some of these videos, such as this one, will be in a part 1, part 2 situation, or even parts 3 and parts 4. It just depends on what availability is there and where we are in the process of making up the home. So as always, guys, I do hope that you enjoyed coming along for this first part of this bathroom transformation. I hope that you will stay tuned, because we have a lot more things coming up, including tiles, paint, wallpaper, and so much more. I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye. Don't forget to wish me happy birthday over on Instagram.